Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background and converting that copy to a smart object so every edit stays reversible. Once done, open Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and immediately pull exposure down in small increments to avoid crushing midtones. Next, drag highlights toward -100 and reduce whites about 30-60 to recover blown areas. This brings back detail that simple exposure adjustments miss. Make sure to keep an eye on the histogram while you work to prevent clipping on the dark end. Once highlights are pulled back, use shadows and blacks in Camera Raw to fine-tune midtones, then increase texture and clarity slightly to restore perceived detail without adding artifacts. Make a curves adjustment layer set to luminosity blend mode and craft a gentle S-curve to regain contrast. Use the curve's point selections to protect recovered highlights. If needed, create a luminosity mask from the channel panel and paint on that mask to restrict contrast and sharpening only to midtones and shadows, so highlights stay intact. You finish by addressing local problem areas with selective masking. Paint on levels or exposure adjustment layers to brighten shadows or soften hotspots, then run noise reduction only where recovery amplified grain. After denoising, apply a high-pass sharpening layer on luminosity blend for crisp detail without halos. Make sure to save a layered PSD and export a high-quality TIFF or JPEG. If recovered highlights look posterized, back off the extremes. Add a slight Gaussian blur to the mask, or use 16-bit working speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.